Unhinge, unwell, unhinge, unwell. That should be my merch, Aggie. Unhinge, and then in the back, unwell. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I'm doing one of my favorite videos, the top Amazon bestsellers for the past 2 months. This is where I review and kind of like rapid fire discuss the products that you'll purchase the most from my videos, and I'm so excited for this list. I'm so excited to talk about them, so I cannot wait to get into it. I'll have everything linked down below. You can also follow me over on Instagram for more. My shirt and all my jewelry for the most part is from Amazon, so I'll have that down below as well. That's everything I have to say. Let's get into it. I did a jewelry collection video and newer jewelry from Amazon. So number 15 is actually these beautiful pearl earrings. I love these so much. They're such a statement. I'm actually gonna wear these for Olivia's baptism. They're so pretty. They're so inexpensive. I love these so much. They're like $11. Number 14 is something I reviewed very recently on my channel in this video. It's the electric scrubber brush that has a long handle that you can adjust depending on how long or how far you want it. It has so many more attachments than the short version ones. You can charge it. It's cordless. It's an amazing find. It's like one of my go-to things in my house right now. I'm like panic cleaning because we have people staying here and family coming over. I'm just like, scrubbing brush please. And I really like this one because it tells you if it's charged, how much battery it has. It has 3, I believe, different power modes, so it's very like technological compared to the other one where you would just like turn it on and go until it died. So happy to see this one. This is the DIY lash extensions kit with an array of different sizes of lash clusters. It's what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I have an entire video tutorial on how I do my lash extensions at home. It takes like a little bit of practice, but it's so easy. Actually, I know for a fact that my best friend was one of these customers because she is doing DIY lash extensions after 2 years of doing lash extensions at a salon. So I'm gonna have her send me a picture and I'll put it right here so you guys can see. It's easy to remove whenever you don't want to have them anymore, and it just gives like such a nice, like awake, put together look. These are perfect for the summer. I literally got in my parents' pool yesterday. They're just perfect, so highly recommend watching that video if you haven't already. But the lash kit is like $17 and it has saved me so much money. Number 12 is one of the most amazing Amazon finds of all time, not to be dramatic. I already have 2 colors. I just ordered the lilac because it was sold out for a while and I was like, no, I need this color. This is gonna be my go-to dress for any sort of event. I'm wearing the white to my daughter's baptism. Y'all are obsessed with it, as am I. I get a size small. I'm 4'11". I did a whole video on Amazon like special occasion dresses. Highly recommend watching that try on haul. Number 11 and number 10 are both for the car. 11 is the car trash can that I talked about recently. Basically, you put it around your middle console. It keeps your car so much cleaner. I try to clean my car once a week because it gets so messy with Olivia's snacks, and now I feel like everything just lives in there and I can just empty out the trash can, wipe it off, and then put it back in, and my car's just so much cleaner for like $11. The number 10 bestseller is the car trunk organizer. It goes around the headrest of your back seats and you can just put whatever you need in there instead of having it all over your car trunk. The trunk gets so messy, and now that I have this organizer, we can just easily find anything, especially for Olivia, in there. So highly recommend, if you haven't already, purchase like organizers for your car because it's my new thing. I'm gonna do an entire either TikTok or video on my channel with Amazon finds to organize in my car and like to keep my car nice and cool, so I'll do that very soon. Number 9 is another jewelry. These cutie little bow earrings. I do believe this has to come from that same jewelry video. I mean, I have been wearing them quite a bit. I'm wearing that white lacy dress. Which earrings do you think I should wear? Should I wear these that are more dangly, or should I wear these bow ones that are like so girly? I don't know, because I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. I mean, you know, I never match my jewelry, so should I wear one on one? I don't know. Tell me what to do. But these are like $9. They're so cute. I love the little pearl detail as well. Oh, look how cute. I love these. I'm so glad so many of y'all bought them because you're feeding my obsession. Like every time I see like jewelry in the bestsellers list, I'm like, guess I gotta go get more. Number 8 is an amazing dupe. It's the Amika heated brush dupe. That round brush went so viral on TikTok. Like, I think it's still sold out almost everywhere. It's like $100 and it's a really good heated brush. That being said, Amazon has an identical one that comes with 4 other attachments for $36, and it has like a 20% off discount code right now. There's really no point. I mean, even if you wanted to, you probably couldn't get the Amika one. So if you want that look, if you're curious to see if you would like the expensive version, I highly recommend trying out the Amazon one. Number 7 is the acrylic laptop stand. It's just such a great thing to have. I used it as recently as last night. I was trying to find the words. It's just so much better for your posture because you're not having to look down. It's great if you work from home, if you're studying from home, or anywhere. I mean, it's compact enough where you can literally take on a flight if you really wanted to. It's super lightweight because it's acrylic, and I love the fact that it's completely adjustable. It actually comes with like an Allen wrench, so you can like set it in place if that's what you want, or you can just keep moving it every time you use it. Number 6 is again one of my favorite things ever from Amazon. It is the cordless electric mop, or as I like to call it, an electric Swiffer. Basically, you just fill it up with whatever liquid. Someone commented, I think it was Priscilla actually, that Fabuloso is just like, say, a fragrance, and it actually doesn't disinfect things, and my Puerto Rican heart is kind of broken right now. We switched to Pine-A-Sol because of that comment. I need to find it. If anyone has any other alternatives, because I find both to be extremely like toxic, like I'm like, dang, there's no way this is good for us. So if anyone has like a less toxic alternative to something we can add to our mop, please let me know. That was a tangent, but the mop is amazing. Cordless, you just charge it. It lasts actually forever. I don't think we need to charge it as much as our Dyson, which I'm staring at right now and I hate, because I can only do one room with the Dyson and I do the whole first floor with the electric mop and it doesn't die. Anyway, what was that? I don't know. I literally forgot what I was talking about. Oh, the electric mop. It's great. You just fill it up with whatever liquid you want. You can even just use water. Then it has these detachable cloths, mops that you add to it at the bottom. Then you start, moving it around your house, clicking it to spray the liquid, and then your house looks shiny and clean, or your floors do. I don't know. Number 5, I'm very proud of y'all because it's the Pez glue trap. I think I got a little heated and passionate in my video. I think it was like my Amazon finds and favorites, because I was like, you need these, you need these. And I think showing the story time, the evidence when I found that spider nest like under my couch really like sold y'all on it. It's just so effective. It's so nice just to not worry about it, to know that like if there's really like a little spider running around, the glue trap will catch it. If those are living in a glue trap instead of my house, I'll take it. I'll take 100, which is how many I have inside our laundry room, ready to use. I'm really not okay, dear Lord. Why am I smiling like a freaking creep? Number 4 is the eCloth cleaning cloths. Honestly, I think this has been in the bestsellers list since November. I'm not mad at it at all. I think these are a game changer. They're probably here mostly because I put them in Amazon finds that save me money, which this saves me money because I no longer have to buy any sort of supplies, like cleaning supplies, to do like stainless steel appliances or glassware, so no Windex. You just wet those with a little bit of water. You can actually, you know what I have to do today? I have to clean all our mirrors. I'm also staring at those right now because we have company coming, and of course that's what you need to do. So I'm going to show you guys how it works. Number 3, another thing that saves me money from that video, is the reusable cotton pads. And something I guess I didn't really expand on in that video is they come in these mesh bags, right? I think it comes with like 12. Next time you do laundry, you close a little baggie, you throw it in your laundry. I always do it when I'm doing either towels or when I'm doing like whites. And then I just do like a gentle cycle usually, and like a little bit of that like powder bleach, and y'all, they come out looking brand spanking new. You don't really see like the remnants of makeup or anything like that, and then they're ready to reuse. They don't break me out, they're still soft, they wash really well. Number 2 is a shock for sure. It's the Danish whisk, and I'm actually feeling a little guilty that I never really showed y'all how it works or why it's so great. I feel the need need today before I post this video, because I'm posting it the same day that I'm filming it, to just bake something just so I can show you the magic of this whisk, because it mixes things so well. Nothing sticks to it. The way it's designed and it's shaped, nothing sticks to it. And I guess it's meant for doughs, like bread doughs, but I've used it for pancakes, for eggs, for so many things, and it's so much larger than you would think. So it's like great for holding it. The wooden handle just makes it really easy to get in there, and it's a great workout, may I add. And number one, and I actually feel terrible for actually gatekeeping this for so long, because I've been using these for more likely than not longer than a year. The hydrocolloid patches for your nose by Hero Cosmetics, I think. It's disgusting. When you take that thing off, you see all that gunk that came out of your pores. You're like, ew, I'm gross. I just use them at night. That night, I just cleanse my face, maybe do like a toner, wait until my skin is like super dry, and then I add it. Like, I don't add anything else to my skin because I want to make sure it like sticks and it removes anything that it needs to remove. I don't want like the product being there, you know? I have like pretty disgusting blackheads all over my nose and like pretty clogged pores. It's the only thing that helps, that and doing this like machine that I also get from Amazon. This is not a bestseller. I don't know if I talked about it recently, but it's like a microderm machine, and y'all, this stuff that comes out of my pores. So this is my ideal skincare situation. Do that at night, like the hydrocolloid patch, clean face, whatever. I wake up, basically it's like bringing to the surface, if you will, all the gunk that's in my pores. The nose patch. Stay with me here. Then with the little vacuum machine, I run it through just my nose, dry skin once again, and look at the disgustingness that comes out. It's like actually an amazing combo. The microderm machine is a little expensive. I think it's like $100, but worth every single penny for me. Once again, a very long-winded answer, but hopefully helpful if you suffer from, you know, clogged pores like I do. Truly the only thing that helps, I think that, and maybe never wearing makeup again, but that's not an option, so I'm going to continue this little routine. Isn't it so nice? So we can always wait for me to lose it halfway through a video like this. Always. Like, actually, I want to go back in time in my videos and see if like the very first ones were this bad, because holy crap, like every single time the tangents and losing it, the can I really speak English? It's really a never-ending question. It's always there. Like, Philo, do you think you can speak English? Probably not. Probably not. But here we are. Words are just coming out of my mouth. Anyway, that's everything for today's video. What a journey we've been in together. We've been on? What did I say? Actually, it's a fun fact. Reading has sort of helped my English, but not really, because I, you know, read in my mind. I don't read out loud is what I'm meaning to say. So like, I say words, I'm like, I wonder how that's actually pronounced, because I'm probably thinking of it wrong. And then like suddenly, I don't know, I'm listening to like a TikTok, and then someone says a word that I read out loud, and I'm like, ooh, that's how you say it. And that's an irrelevant tangent to end an irrelevant tangent video. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you're even here, you're probably like, who the hell was that? She's crazy. And a little bit, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna sit here and live in denial. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Can you tell I'm stressed out because I should be cleaning my house, because once again, I have guests coming, but instead I'm here talking about thinking of words and saying them out loud. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next one. Bye. Oh, unwell. Unhinge, unwell, unhinge, unwell. That should be my merch, Aggie. Unhinge. And then in the back, unwell.